In this video, we break down these effects and this and this. Now drop all this icon into your timeline. Then go 3 keyframe ahead and delete this part. Now do the same thing again. Then apply transform effect. Then select the scale keyframe and keep it value 200. Now reset the keyframe. Then select both keyframe and apply easy in and easy out on them. Now copy the transform effect. Then select all the other clip and paste him. Now create adjustment layer. Then apply blur effect and keep it value 40. Then select the mask tool. Then fix the mask position. For the second effect, again apply transform effect. Then select the position keyframe. Go back few keyframe. Then drag him downward and keep the shutter angle value. Now select both keyframe and apply easy in and easy out on them. Then fix their position to make it smooth. Now again copy the transform effect and paste him. Now keep 5 keyframe distance between each clip. Now drop this icon into your timeline. Then apply drop shadow effect and copy my setting value. Then fix their position. Now duplicate this clip and apply blur effect. And keep it value 40. Now apply crop effect. Then copy my setting value. Now duplicate this clip Then copy my chatting value again. Now do the same thing again and again. Now select the position keyframe, go back view keyframe and drag him downward. Then select both keyframe and apply easy in and easy out on them. Then fix their position to make it smooth. Now do the same thing again, but this time drag him upward. Now do the same thing again. Now keep 5 keyframe distance between each clip. I hope you like this video.